guys. This is my toy. Mr. Pencil CBC backpack.
It has two.
It has two. It has 7 activities.
You show the 7 activities. You show them. They are
letter and puzzle spots. 7 activities.
Okay. They are.
Also the screen.
You show them one by one. Come on. This is.
It's 7 activities.
Show the 7 activities. This is.
Letter zoo. Meet the letters, miss the word, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, letter, animals, music.
Okay. And then
Letter and
these are
puzzle
the
spots.
letters. And then the other side. Other side naman. Show them the other side. The answer has.
Bring it to there.
No. The other side has. What can you see in the other side of the toy? You can see what is this. Come on, you show them.
These are my letters.
Yes. What do you do
This
here?
is my writing board.
And
Pencil.
then what is this? You show.
Mr. Pencil eraser.
Okay.
There will be no Far Eastern private school. There will be.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Describe the color.
The color. On off volume control switch.
Okay, show them. This is the on and off volume.
Control switch. Leapfrog, Mr. Pencil, CBC backpack.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, this is click. Click.
Show.
Letter buttons. Number buttons.
Show them.
Settings button. On off power button. Emoji button. Music button. Star button. Arrow button. Letters. Counting. Typing, snack time. Letter coding, text with chip.
And then subscribe.
Emoji button.
Like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe
to my channel.
to my channel.
Bye.
Bye.